But the people will accept this military government?
I'm having not the slightest doubt. One of our officers, Major Jumo, went to the provinces, and his reports and observations were that the people were relieved, in fact, that the army had stepped in, because they themselves were so fed up with the political rivalries. I grew up in this country, and during my boyhood days, I never knew whether one tribe was different from another. There was certainly not inter-tribal rivalries and bitterness. It was only since politics came that I became a Mendian, you became a Timian. We wouldn't sit down together. And surely what we're trying to do now, not only rectifying the finance, we're also going to rectify the moral aspect of the state, which is a necessary element of it, so that Mr. X, whether he comes from the northernmost part of the country, should be able to sit down with Mr. Y, who comes from the south, and discuss things. They wouldn't necessarily see eye to eye. No two persons think alike, but they should be able to arrive at a compromise. And when they do strike a compromise, they should both be able to honor their compromise.
But you are blaming fairly and squarely the politicians for this?
Most definitely. They've handled the situation so recklessly. So poorly. They were all fighting for power. Those who had it did not want to give up. And we would have failed in our duty, by that the army and the police, to our country and to posterity and to the world, if we would let the blood of our brothers and sisters run the streets of Freetown just to fill up somebody's pocket.
Thank you very much.
Sure.